Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Claude AI use cases video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a tool in Claude AI which will help you analyze the user experience and the conversion issues on your website. This tool will analyze the page and it will give you a detailed report which will help you improve the user experience and the conversion issues on your website. In the right hand side, you will see the tool that I have created using Claude AI. This is basically an artifact that I have created in Claude. I'll give you a detailed prompt that you can use to create the same artifact in your Claude account. So you can copy the prompt and enter the prompt in your Claude account and it will create the same tool in your Claude account. Here you can enter the HTML code of the page that you want to analyze. It will analyze the page and it will give you a detailed report, and if required it will also create a new layout for the same page. So I'm going to show you how this tool works and how you can use this tool to improve the user experience and the conversion on your website. Here in the left hand side you will see the benefits of the UX and conversion auditor tool that I have created. Instant expert level audit without the agency price tag. A professional audit from an agency typically costs $2,000 to $10,000 and it takes weeks. This tool delivers the same structured analysis in just 2 minutes. Identifies exactly what is losing your money, prioritized action list, not just a problem list. So it is not only going to create the problem list, it is also going to give you an action list. Works on any website, so you can enter the HTML code of any website or any page and it is going to give you a report for that page. The redesign layout is a visual brief for your developer. It is objective and not emotional. Repeat it anytime. So you don't need to enter the same prompt again and again to analyze any page. You can use this tool without entering the same prompt again. So let's see how does this work.
Subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel for easy tutorials on AI tools, AI agents, WordPress, web design, automation, Elementor, WooCommerce, and more. Press the bell icon and stay updated with every new video.
Here I'm logged into one of my websites and I'm going to analyze the home page of this website for the user experience and the conversion issues. Now if I go to Claude, what I need is HTML source code of that page and the CSS file. If you do not have the CSS code, that is okay. You can use only the HTML source code. So let's go to the website, right click on the website and go to view page source. Here I'm using the Mozilla Firefox. Let's go to Chrome and the process will remain same on the Chrome also. The process will remain same. Right click on it and click on view page source. So this is the page source code. So I'm going to copy the entire code. So select all and copy all. Let's go to the tool and enter the code here, the code that we just copied. And below that we have the CSS styles. Here you will see the instructions how you can get the CSS code. On this website I'm using Elementor and I know where to find the Elementor theme CSS code. This is the CSS theme file. Right click on it and open a new window. This is the code. I'm going to select all and copy it. Let's go here and enter the CSS code. Now again, this code is not mandatory. We need this if you want to redesign the layout. It is going to use the same style and the font from the CSS code. Even if you do not enter it, it can redesign the layout. So I'm going to delete it for now and I'm going to use only the HTML source code and click on Run UX and Conversion Audit button. So it is going to take 2 or 3 minutes to create the detailed report. Alright, so the report is ready. Let me expand it. Let me make it full screen. This is how the tool looks. This is the first step where we enter the HTML code. This is the second step where we have got the audit report. And for this page, we have got 52 out of 100. So this is the detailed report. And here you will see we have 8 different factors. This is the first one, about the fold, for which we have got 55 out of 100. And if I click on it, you will see the detailed report for the above the fold parameter. The first point is H2 used as hero headline instead of H1. If I go back to website, this is the hero section and this is the headline. And for this headline, I have used the H2 tag instead of H1 tag. So I can replace the H2 tag with the H1 tag and that will fix this issue. The hero text is generic. So this is the text and it looks very generic. So we can make it more attractive, replace with specific headlines. For example, 50 plus free tools, no sign up, no install, instant results. Next parameter is admin bar consumes 46 pixel of above the fold viewport for logged in users. Here I'm logged into the WordPress website and this is the admin bar. So this is not the case for the logged out user. This is only for the logged in users. Right, next to that we have trust signal, and for the trust signal we have got only 22 out of 100. Why? Because no social proof, 0 reviews, rating or user counts anywhere. So on this page we do not have any review, no social proof or any user count. So we will need to add some trust signal, we will need to add some reviews or ratings on the page. So this is what it suggests. Here you will see the fix, add 10,000 plus tools used monthly or some other stats on the home page. No privacy assurance or data handling statement visible on the page. So we do not have any privacy assurance or data handling statement visible on this page. So we need to add that one also. These are the two critical points that we will need to fix. Then we have some medium points. Then we have call to action effectiveness. No primary call to action button above the fold. So if I go here, this is the hero section and we do not have any call to action button on the hero section. So that means we need to add some call to action button in the above the fold section or somewhere on the hero section. Slider call to action buttons are secondary in visual web. So these buttons are secondary, not the primary. So we need to add something here as a primary call to action button. Then we have form friction, duplicate search forms. If I go back to website, we have one search form here and we have another search form here. So I should replace this search field with the call to action button. Copy and messaging, you will see that here. Fast, free, powerful is glitched and unverified. No tool count or category count communicated in hero copy. So all these issues are there on the website. Only 4 navigation items, no breadcrumbs or active page indicator visible in main nav context. If I go to visual hierarchy, you will see autoplay image slider competes with hero headline for attention. So there is competition between these two sections. Then we have no visual differentiation between tool categories on the home page. So we need to add some images for these categories. Then we have page speed signal, which is very low. And for that, we can install different cache plugins on the WordPress website. There are many free cache plugins that you can use to improve the page speed. Now here you will see some quick wins. Change H2 hero heading with H1 immediately. Update the OG title from home to branded descriptive title. Add no sign up required, just line near the search bar. Add pre-connect hint for this font. Then we have prioritize recommendation, add social proof, consolidate CSS or JavaScript assets, add primary call to action button, replace hero slider with grid, rewrite hero headline, fix OG title and SEO tags. So these are the issues that I have on this particular website. At the bottom, you will see generate redesigned layout. If I click on it, it is going to create a new layout for the home page. So it's going to take 2-3 minutes to create a new layout. Alright, so the new layout is ready and it is in HTML. So I'm going to download the HTML file, save it on the computer. I have it on the desktop, so let's go to desktop and this is the file. Let's open it and here you will see the new layout for the same page. Here we have the hairline, it is in H1 tag. This is just a placeholder image. You can replace this image with something related to your website. Here you will see new button is added, which is browse all tools. If I click on it, it will display all the tools that we have on this website. This is call to action button. Earlier we did not have call to action button in the hero section. Now we have the call to action button. These are some social signals, 100,000 plus monthly users, 50 plus free tools available, instant results, no wait, 0 data store or sold. So this is also a trust signal. These are some reviews. Then we have the categories. Then we have some content, the benefits of using this website. Below that we have some tools. Again, this is just a layout. It is not the actual page that you can create. You can replace these images with the tools or whatever you have on your website that you want to display here. Then we have a list of some important tools on this website. Below that we have call to action and the footer section. So the redesigned layout also looks good. I can use this layout to improve the conversion and user experience on my website. Now let's go back to the tool. If I click on new edit, it will refresh it and you can enter the HTML code for the next page, and it will analyze the next page. If you want to create the same tool in your Claude account, I have a detailed prompt. This is the detailed exact prompt that you can use to create the same tool. I'll give you the link in the description box. You can go to my website and copy this exact prompt to create the same tool. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.